We're inside the St Augustine Art Association's building. This month, they change their exhibit every month, but this month they're doing basically a dark room with black light. So all the work is done in some type of phosphorescent for the purpose of doing it in the dark. So the light is down about 90%. And what we're using is, they're using black lights to kind of make stuff jump off the screen. And it gets better and better as you go. This was a certificate of award there, winner. Looks like something down one of the streets. This one's my favorite. There's two in here that I really like. I like that one because of how bright it is. And that is black light with almost the entire thing done in black, in phosphorescent paint, reflective paint. I like that. I really like that little miniature surfboard. Let's see, who is this? Called Golden Hour. That's sharp too. I like that. And I like the octopus. But again, we're in St. Augustine today. It's August. It is a little warm today, not bad. 85 degrees is the high. So 85 is the high. And then, but about 90% humidity. But so far, no rain. We do have an umbrella. That's a nice cutout on the frame. Kind of cool how they cut the frame on the left side to allow the picture to look like it's jumping off. Very impressive. Almost brings a three-dimensional approach all because of that little cutout there. But the picture is excellent. It's a couple of people, 3 cars racing from the 1920s. A lot of people don't know, but we used to do a lot of racing in Florida on the beaches. So they would allow racing on the beaches, informal racing with anybody with a fast car. This is more three-dimensional. It actually comes off the page. That's fine. I'll wait for you in the middle. And that's just fabulous there. That goldfish is huge. Must be 3 feet across, 3 feet high. And it got a certificate of award also. Right there. That's the person there. You bring a flashlight just to kind of help you see what's. So I have a flashlight and a black light. Very cool art exhibit. And this is a sculpture, a couple of sculptures actually. Got some mushrooms, wild mushrooms. And fishy, coral and fish. Very impressive. I like that. I've been trying to get into this place for a long time, but every time I come, they're closed. They have very limited hours today. They're only open till 4, so I gotta finish this in about 40 minutes. We just showed up at 3:10. And again, we're in St. Augustine, Florida. 85 degrees today, 100% humidity, but with a breeze, not too bad. Not bad. If the breeze, and we're getting a little breeze right now. On the outside, not on the inside. Very cool. I don't think I've ever seen an art exhibit quite like this. So if you get a chance, this is, and they change their project every month. So this is only here for 30 days.